Welcome to e-Semplice Hub. We are looking at scales in grade 3. Scales can be presented this way in grade 3 exam. So you need to know how to resolve this in case you run into it in the exams. Now, the question here is for us to determine the key of each of these scales. If it is a major key, fine. But if it is a minor key, you have to go ahead and tell what form of the scale is represented. That is it a harmonic minor? Is it a melodic minor? So that's what we are out to do here. The first note and the last note of all scales must be the same. So that is a very excellent pointer to the answer. So you determine the first note of this first scale is actually a C. And the last note is also a C. That is a very good pointer. Let's try to see how we can establish the answer. The next thing you do, collect the accidentals available in the scale. Now we have here, remember that's treble, don't lose sight of the clef. We have A flat, that's A flat, and we have E flat here. So that's what we are given. Remember the key signatures in grade 3. The order of flats is actually B, E, and A flats. That's actually the order. That's the order. But now B is missing. So what could have gone wrong? Remember, if you want to establish a key, you make your suspicion and then you try to prove it, but proving it from the minor angle. Which key or keys should naturally have B flat, E flat, and A flat? You'll know that that is E flat major or its relative minor, which is C minor. And now, because the first and last letter of our scale is a C, we still need to determine whether it is the harmonic minor or the melodic minor. As usual, the best way to go about it is write out the letters in the scale: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Then add the natural key signature accidentals B, E, and A. Now raise the 7th note. The 7th note becomes natural B. So here, at this point, we have just confirmed that the key is C minor. But what form of minor is this scale? Now, remember, your harmonic scale should have a raised 7th note, and your melodic scale should have a raised 6th and 7th notes in the ascending scale, and then it is lowered in the descending scale. That is, whatever you did, if you raise, when you raise the 6th and 7th note going up, when the scale is coming down, you lower it. That is, you restore what was raised. Now, looking at that now, you'll see from this scale, the 7th note is raised. That is why we did not have a B flat in the scale. And that goes to proving that we are working with harmonic minor. Harmonic in the sense that the 7th note is raised. In the harmonic minor, ascending and descending scale, the 7th note is raised. So this confirms that we are looking at a harmonic scale. The second one, we apply the same method. Read out the first and last letter of your note. Now, this is A, and this is A. Remember, I said that's a good pointer. So we are looking for a key that has A as the first letter. Now, looking at this, let's collect the accidentals. We have here C sharp. Then we have F sharp. Then we have G sharp. Now, merely looking at this, it is A major that has F, C, and G accidentals. So we don't even need to beat about the bush here. The answer is A major. Now we come to the third one. Always check the first letter. The first letter here is F, and the last letter is also F. So we are looking for a key that has an F at the beginning. So let's collect the accidentals. That's E flat. That's E flat. That's D flat. Then we have B flat. Then A flat. So these are the accidentals in the scale given. Now, let's look at it together. These, because you know, the key from your table that has B, E, A, D flat are actually A flat major or its relative minor, which is F minor. And that's why you need to know the table for your grade very well and the contents. So having B, E, A, and D is A flat major or F minor. So the answer we are looking for is a key that has F at the beginning. So this goes. So we are left with F minor. So we have established already that this is F minor. But what form of minor is this F minor? Is it the harmonic or the melodic form? Now, let's look at it together. Now, this is a descending scale. Let's write out the letters of F minor first. So we have F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Natural accidentals, you have B, E, A, D. Now, if this scale were a harmonic scale, the seventh note should have been raised. And if the seventh note is raised, it means it can no longer be E flat. So for us to still have E flat in this scale, it means it is not the harmonic form, but the melodic form. Now, why is it the melodic? Because in the ascending melodic scale, you raise the sixth and seventh note. But in a descending melodic scale, you lower what was raised while ascending. So in this case, since the natural accidentals are still in the scale, and you can see the scale is a descending scale, so that confirms that it is a melodic, it is the melodic form of the scale. So this is melodic. Melodic in the sense that it is the descending melodic scale that retains same accidentals as the major key. Note, please, the descending melodic scale retains the same accidentals as the major key. So for all the accidentals of the major key to be present in this scale, it means it is a melodic scale. So that's how to answer scale questions in grade 3 in case it comes in this format.